So first vlog. Let's go. Sorry guy for throwing around the Sony A7S with the 85mm, but I just want to see how the slow motion works. Just finished packing. That's the Sony A7 Mark III, the Sony A7 Mark III with the 85mm, and this is with the 24-70. It's the Sony A7S Mark II with the 35. Yep, doing some shots with the new lenses. Setting up for the vlog. Oh, Jesus, not so easy. Every vlog starts with going in the car, going out the car. I just missed it. I'm just going out now, packing all my stuff. I want to go to a cafe. I edited a moment on some presets for Lightroom, which I want to sell on my website, on Instagram, everywhere. Yeah, just packing up and go to the good coffee place. Then I go outside with Joyce to take some photos on the beach. Test the new lenses from Sony the 85 1.4. G Master lens and the size 80mm 2.8 from Bartis. Alright guys, let's go to the cafe. All the preview. No one see this. That's a vlog. That's going outside and do. I wasn't in the car and set up the camera. Now we're going outside and come in and it looks like woo! Someone filmed me inside the car. I'll see you later. Ready? Now it goes to the beach, taking some photos. Maybe a good sunset. Can't see my watch. Everything is black on the watch. So, looks nice, but you can't see the time. Right. Lights on and ready to go. Which side? I don't know. Just left. F***ing car parks are so confusing. On the rock pool, and I did some long exposure here when the wave was coming in and they're going around the rock. Shutter speed was open for like 8 seconds to 10 seconds to make the water very smooth, and then you see how it spills around the ISO. I put on 50, no picture profile on the Sony. I had a little tripod, and yeah, the frames are here. I think the aperture was on 16, yeah, the aperture was in 16, and yeah, that's the photo. Big waves are coming here. Yeah, now I'm moving on, like the birds are here, look, it's so beautiful. Yeah, the seabirds are moving around or flying around here, it's pretty nice. Damn, beautiful view, beautiful sunset. And this is the rock pool. Run to the rock pool. That's happened when you go the wrong way. Now I'm wet. All my shoes actually. Now my shoes are wet, I get wet, it's raining. Could take a shower now. Oh no. She's catching. Was catching a little insect, the little bird. And I'm still wet. I should shower my hairs under the one. What do you think? Should I? It's pretty nice here. That's a rock pool. Maybe we can go and have a little swim in the pool. But I don't go because it's winter time in Australia and it's crazy cold. There are a lot of fish and it's pretty nice. I don't know what this bird wants. It's flying the whole time around me, sitting behind me. I know what I want. I know what a little bird wants. Maybe I should take my hairs under the little shower. Ooh. Little shower. Ooh. Ooh. Refreshed. It's like a cold shower in the morning. Get some dopamine. A lot of flies. So getting back now to the car, cleaning my camera. There's some. Jesus. All right. See you later. Still wet hairs. And to say goodbye to the rock pools. It's just a little one. Just found a good place here where I can set up my camera here, including to the rock pool. I have an 80mm lens. Sometimes you want to have the whole area. You risk your life sometimes. Sorry, Mom. Facing the fears, right? Ooh, scary, right? I want to have a photo there. If there's the stone here as a framing, and you have like a round hole here, and there's the pool as the other hole. Makes no sense. And was not easy because the sun was going down, but I think we got it. Joyce did the photo. It's pretty cool. I was running up the stairs like 2 times, 3 times now. Workout. Joyce wanna pose.
Mike is the king of posing. He totally studied posing on YouTube. He's the best poser, so I'm asking you for advice.
I'm not.
Seriously good. Check out his Instagram at Maik Kleinert.
Just taking some pictures here. If you want to see, I hold you. I don't know where I can put you. Nothing. No tripod. Woohoo! I have here the 85mm. I'm taking a shot from the Sony A7 Mark III with 80mm size lens, 2.81. So yeah. I go in lower angle, so it makes the picture interesting, and I have the horizon. I shoot with aperture 3.2, and I also shoot 2 photos. One photo I focus on the lens, and one photo I focus on the body, and then I stitch them together. So the wood looks like this. So yeah, I did 2 photos. I don't have any tripod here, so I made it all out from hand. Yeah, we'll see how it looks in post. You can check out my Instagram channel, Daily Maik BTS. Whew. Done, hey. I'm actually want to go home, but I did some product photos or some couple shots for my behind the scenes. And yeah, we was testing, not the helicopter, and we was testing Sony 85 to 1.4. It's G Master lens, and I did some couple photos, and also the size 80mm 2.8. It's a pretty damn good lens, I would say. Man, this wide angle, and it's so straight. It's not like stretching the edge. Now I go home, right to the edit place. What I'm doing now is to import all my raw photos and convert them in DNG. If you guys are interested on my workflow in Lightroom, I can make a tutorial if you want. And after importing, I created some presets which I'm using all the time, and you can check them out on my website. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. This is my first vlog. Just was trying to put some information in and make it a little bit entertainment with my wet hairs, but my wet hairs are dry now. Now they're still a little bit wet. But yeah, I hope you learned something, and I want to show you a little bit the Lightroom tutorial as well. There's some stuff coming up in the future. If you want to know anything like how I edit the photos, or if you want to know like how to use my camera when I'm going on travel and which lenses I'm using. So yeah, I hope you like it, and just put the thumb up and subscribe my channel down below. And yeah, see you in the next video. First vlog to hand. Just now editing.